Bernard Arnault, the LVMH king with a $190.8 billion fortune, just took a $42 billion hit in 2025. Ouch! China's luxury market tanked, but Arnault's not sweating it. He's doubling down on the French Riviera, snagging $500 million villas like Villa Leopolda, the ultimate billionaire flex. Riviera prices are up 12% this year, and Arnault's buying to secure his legacy, just like Francoise Bettencourt-Meyers and Jim Ratcliffe. Picture this: a 20-acre estate with gold-plated pools, private beaches, and 10% annual appreciation. Arnault's Monaco offshore accounts save him $20 million a year in taxes, a trick he's mastered since acquiring Christian Dior in 1984. LVMH's 75 brands, from Louis Vuitton to Tiffany, fuel his villa spree, despite a 5% stock dip. Why the Riviera? It's a safe haven. Monaco's zero income tax status and 15% more billionaire buyers in 2025 make it a no-brainer. Arnault's not alone. Ratcliffe's Monaco Villa and Bettencourt-Meyers' Paris Chateau follow the same playbook. These villas aren't just homes, they're investments, with rental yields of 8% and bulletproof asset protection. Critics call it a billionaire bubble, but Riviera sales hit $10 billion last year, and Arnault's betting on 20% growth by 2027. His daughter Delphine runs Dior, ensuring the family's grip on luxury, while Monaco banks like UBS handle his $50 million accounts. Want to live like Arnault? You'll need $100 million liquid and a Monaco passport. The Riviera's exclusivity is unmatched. Only 1% of buyers qualify, and Arnault's already locked in the best. Subscribe to Hedge and Haven for more billionaire moves, and smash that like button to join the elite.